Hello there and welcome to Unplugging from the Matrix. I am your host, One Lucid Moment, on this special episode where I'm going to do a wonderful rendition of a beautiful song called One of Us by Joan Osborne on acoustic guitar and vocals only. A very acoustic and rare performance. I hope you enjoy it. I'm glad you tuned in, whether you're watching this broadcast as a fellow longtime atheist or a brand new atheist. Boy, if you're a brand new atheist, I want you to respond. I want you to send me videos. I want you to tell me about what it took to get you from there to here. Or if you're still a religious believer clutching to your religion, my friend, I know what it's like to be there. And I encourage you to take that step of faith. Step out into reality. Step out into the truth. We all believe in a faith of some kind. Atheists believe in non-faith. And my friend, I think you will find that there is a greater freedom that you've never known when you step out. I hope the song inspires you. Please enjoy. If God had a name, what would it mean? Would you call it to his face? If you were faced with him in all his glory, what would you ask if you had just one question? Yeah, God is great, yeah, God is good, yeah. What if God was one of us? Just a slob like one of us. Just a stranger on the bus, trying to make his way home. If God had a face, what would it look like, and would you want to see? If seeing meant that you would have to believe in things like heaven and in Jesus and the saints and all the prophets, yeah, God is great. I know you told me, yeah, God is good, yeah. What if God was one of us? Just a slob like one of us. Just a stranger on the bus, trying to make his way home. Yeah, God was one of us. Just a slob like one of us. Just a stranger on the bus, trying to make his way home. Trying to make his way home, but no one calling on the phone. Except for the Pope, maybe in Rome. This is a beautiful song because it opens up our perspective to reality. that maybe we've just made up this God that we hope is better than we are. But, you know, if you look at the Old Testament, the New Testament, the Quran, we're talking about horribly malevolent creatures created by a horribly benevolent God. You know, I just choose to disregard that bunk and believe in science. And I encourage you to do the same. This is One Lucid Moment saying, think critically and logically. Activate your passion to end religion on this planet. Have a great day. See you next time.